So here you heard about Kant's day. Yeah, was macht er am Morgen, dann am Nachmittag, dann am Abend. Similarly, schreiben Sie für Sie, like write it for yourself. Yeah. So how do you write? Am Morgen, that means in the morning, and then you can pick up any verb. For example, I'll write about myself so that you can have an idea. Am Morgen lese ich Zeitung. Online Zeitung, basically. I read German news online. So I'll not mention German, I'll just write lese ich Zeitung. This is my first activity. Dann, you can say, dann frühstücke ich. After reading, frühstücke ich. Frühstücke ich, ja. Und sehe ich Serien. Serien is series. Serien means series, yeah, Serien. Dann frühstücke ich und sehe ich Serien. Now you can also write here anything. Dann frühstücke ich und lese ich Nachrichten. Or you can pick up any verb, right? You have got here so many verbs in the text. Like you can see here, there are these verbs. You can use it. Treffen, lesen, lernen, essen, gehen, schlafen, anything. Yeah. So you have to tell me that what do you do on Sunday? So morgen lese ich online Zeitung. Dann frühstücke ich und sehe ich Serien. Then you can talk about am Nachmittag, that is in the oder you can simply say am Abend, am Nachmittag oder am Abend, anything you want to pick up. Gehe ich ins Kino. I go to Kino. Yeah, gehe ich ins Kino. Or you can also write down spiele ich, and you can take the game of any game that you let you play. Am Abend spiele ich online Spiel. Online Spiel means online game. You can also take spiele ich Badminton, spiele ich Fußball, spiele ich Schach, anything, spiele ich Ludo, anything. Yeah. Then you can also talk about then danach. Danach and dan, there are two words I'm using in here, which basically tells you about after and after that. Dan is after, that means what do we do after something? And danach is again after that. Danach, that is after that. So am Morgen lese ich
You
online
wrote after that
Zeitung.
twice.
Yeah, was?
You wrote after that twice.
Sorry, it took me like, yeah, this is danach. Yeah, danach. Yeah, so am Morgen lese ich online Zeitung, dann frühstücke ich und sehe ich Serien. Am Nachmittag oder am Abend gehe ich ins Kino, spiele ich Fußball, gehe ich, you can say, better would be that you choose, okay, you can write it here, the example given, gehe ich in den Supermarkt. I'm not giving you an extra option because there is a reason behind it. We don't know the preposition. So better would be that you have the options that you have here, pick up from here. Gehe ich in den Supermarkt. Yeah, because it's difficult for you to understand the preposition thing right now. So we'll keep it easy. Yeah. So this is how you talk about, and then you can say or in der Nacht, in the night. Esse ich zu Hause, I eat at home. Or you can also add in der Nacht esse ich zu Hause mit der Familie. That means with the family. Yeah. So this is how you talk about a day planning of yours. So write down for yourself. Yeah, I'll send you this document so that you have a better idea about that. How do you begin up? Then change these things. Change accordingly. If you are unknown with an activity, do search it in Google or in the dictionary. Try to write down any new activity. For example, I call my friend. So you don't know how do you say call my friend, but then you can figure out the word for calling, right? And friend, you know, Freund. So if not correct, but try to make some new sentences or something apart from this book, like what you have learned. And then All the rectifications I'll do in the class itself when you will tell me about your sentences. That's what we're going to do. And this is how you can talk about your morning, evening, day, and night. That what do you do? Then, when we will talk about the timing, कि हम किस time, then this sentences can be more appropriate because we can add here that am morgen or ich stehe 6 Uhr auf. I wake up at 6 in the morning. Yeah. Then at 10 o'clock, I have my breakfast. Then at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, I come back from school or I come back from anywhere. Then at 2 o'clock, I have my lunch. So when you will do the timing, which we're going to do in the next page, you can see there's a clock made here in the next page. So which will be taken care by, or maybe in the next class itself. Okay, one thing. Tomorrow, I might take a class. Are you free in the same time? Are you free in the same time?
Ma'am, I can't say for sure because I have office.
Okay, you have an off. You have your office, right? Okay, because the thing is that day after tomorrow I have a marriage to attend. There's a marriage in the family. I couldn't go today, and that's why everything. There was nobody in my home, like nobody at home, and I kept the gas on. So there was some sort of emergency situation was there, but then it was handled. But then I today even also I can't go because I cannot miss classes. But then I have to be there on day after tomorrow. I cannot miss that. So I have to leave for marriage, and it's a reception there. I have to leave. I can do one thing. I was thinking to have an extra class. If not tomorrow, on Sunday, are you guys free? Anytime in the, like, it would hardly take 2 hours in the morning, evening, anytime. Will it work?
Sunday morning we can do. Sunday or Saturday morning.
Yeah, we can, like,
Yes.
it's just a matter of, yeah, Ashwin, what do you think?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
No problem, right? So we can sit Sunday or Saturday because I have to complete this thing. So, and it's a time thing, so I cannot rush with it that I complete it with like in 1 hour or two. It's important, so I have to complete it on time. So we will not have the class tomorrow as Samriddhi is not available. What about the rest of you all for tomorrow? Are you available?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in the evening.
You are. In the
Yeah.
okay, tomorrow in the evening itself. Okay, then I'll see to it because I want everybody's to be here because I can also send the recording, but doesn't work. You know, time thing. I want you to be here, all of you. So we'll better do one thing. We'll keep the timing thing for Saturday or Sunday. I'll confirm it once. And for like day after tomorrow and tomorrow we won't be having class. On Thursday, that will be again an extra thing, right? So fine, kind problem. We'll have the class on Friday now. Friday you will like you will be here as well. So we can also do that because Friday is a normal class day. So you can be here. So we can start with the timing, but our main focus of Friday will be the expression thing. We need to complete 2 topics in the restaurant part, and the second thing is in the supermarket part. So the pairing can be like Sana and Samriddhi and Ashwin and Revati. Yeah, these you two can be the pairing. Sana and Samriddhi, you will be for the supermarket and for the restaurant as well. And so Ashwin and Revati, please, you have to also present to me a dialogue of the supermarket and as well as from the restaurant. You decide yourself who will be the customer and who will be the this thing. Prepare your dialogue, exchange your dialogues because as you know, German without speaking, without interaction, it doesn't happen or it's not a good thing to do. So we'll do it accordingly. So Friday, our main focus will be the expression thing. Once we are done with the speaking practice, once we are done with the 2 topics, then we can engage ourselves in the timing thing. We can do the timing and whatever is left, whatever is remaining, we can deal on Saturday or Sunday. That is. So this is the planning. Yeah, and in the homework, please figure out the German food items so that when you talk about the restaurant thing, you can add in some German food items name and also try to write down this activity of yours. Yeah, was machen Sie am Morgen, dann am Nachmittag, dann am Abend, dann in der Nacht, was machen Sie gern? Oder was machen Sie normalerweise? Bitte schreiben Sie einen Satz, a sentence, proper sentence, like a proper paragraph. Yeah, is this clear? Yeah.